Hello everyone, I'm Vishwas. Hope you all are doing good. Today I'm back with new video on latest job openings for this week. If you are new to my channel, let me tell you I'll be making new videos on latest job openings every week. So if you don't want to miss any of my future content, please subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon for more updates on my videos. If you are looking for a specific role in a particular location, you can comment below or you can also reach out to me on my Instagram ID which is vishwas_reddy01. I'll surely try to find out if there are any openings on that particular role. If you feel these job updates are not matching your skill set, don't forget to share this video to the people who are in job search. Without any delay, let's get started with today's video. Cognizant Technology Solutions is hiring for process executive role. Job highlights: 0 to 2 years of experience required. Location Coimbatore, Hyderabad. Qualifications: graduate. Exclusion: BE, BTech and MCA. Responsibilities: new business process such as policy creation, documentation collection and reviewing. Seeking regulatory approvals, policy dispatch, endorsements, renewals, product conversations, underwriter supports, binding, quotes and policy issue. Interested candidates can directly apply from the link which are provided in the description. IBM India Private Limited is hiring for practitioner, finance and administration delivery role. Job highlights: 0 to 1 year of experience required. Location: Bangalore. Roles and responsibilities: as delivery practitioner, you are responsible for the transaction processing in accounts payable and accounts receivable. Coordinate all accounting activities associated with the general ledger, particularly fixed assets, intercompany inventory, cash and bank, indirect tax and accruals. Preferred technical and professional experience: proficient in Microsoft Office applications and familiar with accounting terminologies. Experience in handling queries via calls and emails is highly desired. Accenture Solutions Private Limited is hiring for content management role. Job highlights: 0 to 1 year of experience required. Location: Hyderabad. Skill required: content management, content moderation. What will you do? The content management team is responsible for organizing, categorizing and publishing content and information using specific tools and channels for use by different groups and individuals within the organization. What we are looking for: adaptable and flexible candidates. Roles and responsibilities: in this role, you are required to solve routine problems largely through precedent and referral to general guidelines. Your primary interaction is within your own team and your direct supervisor. You will be individual contributor as a part of team with a predetermined focus scope of work. Interested candidates can directly apply from the link which are provided in the description. HP is hiring for finance intern. Job highlights: 0 to 1 year of experience required. 1 vacancy. Location: Bangalore. Job description: the selected candidates would be closely working with the accounting team on the following areas: month-end and quarter-end financial close activities including processing and analyzing of general entries, balance sheet analysis including accounts reconciliations, fixed assets accounting and analysis, treasury or cash accounting and reconciliations. Interested candidates can directly apply from the link which are provided in the description. KPMG is looking for commerce graduate freshers, Bangalore location. Job highlights: freshers can apply for this role. Job description: work with senior team members to deliver sustainability or ESG assurance and reporting advice on specific clients, working through work programs, conducting testing and carrying out assurance field work, delivering engagements in line with assurance standards ISAE 3000 and ISAE 3410 or equivalent, preparing the documentation on the assurance file in line with KPMG's. Juggle multiple clients' requests when working on different sustainability ESG assurance engagements. Education, qualification and technical skills: bachelor's degree or diploma in commerce or finance or accounting or social science. IT literacy with sound knowledge and experience of Excel or Word or PowerPoint. Interested candidates can directly apply from the link which are provided in the description. Impact India Private Limited is hiring for order management associate role. Job highlights: freshers can apply for this role. Location: Bangalore. Salary 1 lakh to 2 lakh per annum. Job description: in this role, you will be responsible for aftermarket order management of commercial spares for the product, which includes client calls, drafting emails. You will function as a focal point of the order management to various customers. You will work with supply chain team to manage your orders to ship them on time, meet the SLA. Your role will function as an overlay of existing domain experts and bring value through disciplined sales pursued with solutions, order management skills. Responsibilities. Be the primarily point of contact for assigned customers to process purchase orders to sales, orders followed by supply chain to allocate the orders. Qualifications. Any graduation, BCom or BSc or BA or MBA. Freshers are eligible to apply for this role. Strong English language skills, verbal and written. Should be comfortable working in night shifts. Interested candidates can directly apply from the link which I provided in the description. HCL Technologies Limited is hiring for non-voice process. Job highlights. Freshers can apply for this role. Location Chennai. Salary 1,50,000 to 1,75,000 per annum. Freshers are most welcome to apply for this role. Any graduates without standing arrears or backlogs can apply for this role. Basic requirements and job description. Candidate must possess decent communication skills, both written and verbal. Willingness to work in night shifts. Candidates must be a quick learner, willing to be associated with us for a long time. Good in email writing, chat, typing skills and MS Office. Solving customer queries and issues. Interested candidates can directly apply from the link which I have provided in the description. Allcheck Technologies Limited is hiring for customer support officer role. Time and venue 8th December to 14th December from 10 am to 4 pm. This is direct walk-in. Job highlights. 0 to 1 year of experience required. Location Chennai. Salary 1,25,000 to 1,50,000 per annum. Qualifications undergraduate or graduate or postgraduate. Shifts night shift or 2 rotational week offs, 5 days working. Salary 12.3 per month. Perks and benefits. Salary plus incentives. Note, interested candidates can walk in directly face to face and also can contact HR from the link which I have provided in the description. Amazon is hiring for KDP support. Location Hyderabad. Job description. The KDP support analyst will be the frontline interface between Amazon and vendors. Content publishers who are use KDP tool to upload content they want to put up for sale on the Kindle store. Roles and responsibilities. Must be able to interact with an external parties like customers and suppliers comfortably. Process and response to phone calls and emails received from publishers. Respond to queries sent to the KDP forms. Investigate payment concerns brought up by the customers. Reprocess stuck books through the system. Basic qualifications. Should be willing to work in night shifts. Excellent written and verbal communication skills required. Preferred qualifications. Additional computer skills certifications in web technologies are preferable. Experience in web-enabled software products or services is highly preferred. Should be flexible and understand a complex problem and respond to publishers. Basic familiarity with web technologies and HTML is highly desirable. College graduate preferred mandatory. Additional information. Domestic relocation provided no. Shifts 24/7. Week offs rotational 2 consecutive days. It is 5-day working week in 2 consecutive days offs. Interested candidates can directly apply from the link which I have provided in the description. Amazon is hiring for seller partner support associate role. Work from home. Location Hyderabad. Job description. The seller support associate demonstrates end-to-end ownership of every seller interaction coupled with proactive problem solving and provides exceptional support to sellers. Demonstrates effective, clear and professional written and oral communication. Provides prompt and efficient service to Amazon sellers and merchants including the appropriate escalations of seller issues. Demonstrates excellent time management skills and ability to work independently while using departmental resources, policies and procedures. Maintains acceptable performance metrics such as quality, productivity, first contact resolution and attendance. Excellent written and verbal communication skills in English is required. Education qualifications, bachelor degree in any stream. Interested candidates can directly apply from the link which I have provided in the description. That's all for today. If you have any further queries, please feel free to reach out to me in the comment section. Or you can also reach out to me on my Instagram ID which is Vishwas_Reddy01. As I said earlier, please share this video as much as possible so that it will reach the maximum people who are in need of job. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.